That's a good sign then, because the start button was finicky.
Actually, I might be able to get these out of drag also, which we could probably have on tomorrow.
I mean, maybe. I bet you I bet Pet, because at Pet Boys,
Oh yeah, I'm sure they should have.
they'll have these on hand cheap. Among other things, we're having relay issues with this bike. There's quite a few relays on it, and some of them are suspect. A lot of them have been coated with something that's not dielectric grease. It looks like anti-seize, quite frankly, which should not be on these connections. So I'm having to clean off every single connection on this bike. Lots of fun. Every connector, male and female, has some sort of gray substance which looks like anti-seize. And that's not what you should be putting on electrical connections. Simple as that. So we're cleaning every relay, every connection, everything. Still not getting turn signals, but we're getting all kinds of other good stuff. So the ghost search continues.